Hi everyone. In this video, I will walk you through how to model a parametric bench in SolidWorks. Okay, let's get started. The surface is created by power surfacing. Please watch the related video on how to model it. First, create a 3D sketch, then create a plane. Select a point and the right plane as a reference. Then continue to create a plane. Select the first plane as a reference and set the distance to 50 and the quantity to 100. Here the maximum quantity is 100, so we need to create the planes in 2 times. Let's create the planes again. Select the reference. Set the distance and the quantity both to 50. Next, we will use intersection curves to generate the profiles. Select the planes and hold the Ctrl to select the surface. Then go to intersection curve. I suggest you to generate the profile more than once because it requires much more calculation unless you have a powerful computer. Then for the last part, select the planes and select the surface. Go intersection curve. Then hide the surface and the planes. Okay, finish the sketch. Select the 3D sketch, then go to Extrude boss. Set the distance to 25 and select the right plane to be normal width. Okay, that's it. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.